Hi everyone, it's Parchment Kitty. Today you're making Squid Game cookies and 3 cups of sugar. After that, we put one more sugar, a little bit of sugar. After that, we're gonna put the flour in, and then the cookie dough. What is it called anyway? And then my big brother's gonna help me, and then after that, it's gonna get burned after that. And my mom had to step in and help. After that, we had to put the cookies. It keep messing up, but we didn't care. So after that, we mixed it in, and then it turned to sugar. It was pretty tasty, and I just did it anyways. It was looking pretty cool. It was looking magical, like a store, and it was getting great. And then you pour it and put the cookie with the cookie shapes on, and then we made the cookie things, Squid Game cookies, and then we broke it apart. And me and my brother keep breaking it. It was kind of hard to do it. It was like the worst. Me and my brother tried not to break it, and he said, "Watch me do it better, you." But he just broke it, so he should not said that first. After this, we're gonna go, and after this, we're gonna go, and it's gonna be the best.
Audio Jungle.